everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to shave your face. As you can visibly see, my face is instantly shining. I haven't applied anything on my face except aloe vera gel. And let's start with the video. I'm showing you the peach fuzz and very little hair on my face. I haven't shaved my face for 10 days so that I can show you the difference clearly. And there are some steps and techniques you need to follow which I will elaborate. I will try to elaborate. So let's get started. Make sure you tie up your hairs properly, and before starting the shaving, make sure you clean your face with face wash. You can use any face wash according to your choice. I'm using Lakme one. It is very mild, so that is why I'm using. And after washing my face, I will just pat it dry, and after that I will apply scrub. I'm using homemade scrub. This is made of rice powder and aloe vera gel, and I'm mixing little bit of rose water as well. You can use simple water. It is very mild and very effective scrub, and it is all natural, so that is why I'm using it. But you can also use scrub according to your choice. Now I'm just forwarding it so that video do not get long. So after scrubbing my face, you can see visible difference, and it is all done just because of कि कोई भी जो ingrown hair है उसका problem हमारे skin पे ना रहे. So let's start with the procedure. Before shaving the face, make sure you apply some kind of gel on your face. Don't shave on dry skin. It can harm your skin. And this is a razor which I'm using. A link will be in the description box. I'm just cleaning it with propyl alcohol so that there won't be any kind of bacteria on the razor, because mostly हम क्या करते हैं, शेव करने के बाद उसको रख देते हैं तो कोई भी बैक्टीरिया उसमें ग्रो हो सकता है. Let's start with the shaving, and I will suggest you not to shave this little hair on the sides of your face because it looks fine on your face. So you just have to stretch like this, and angle should be 45 degree, and it should be very little strokes. आपको लंबा लंबा नहीं खींचना, बहुत धीरे धीरे छोटे स्ट्रोक्स लेने हैं. अभी देखो मैंने बहुत कम पार्ट को शेव किया और ये मटेरियल वहाँ से उतरा है. इतना सारा बाल उतरा है मेरे फेस से, और देखने में ऐसे लग रहा है कि मेरे फेस के ऊपर कोई बाल नहीं है. जस्ट स्ट्रेच योर स्किन विद द हेल्प ऑफ योर हैंड एंड डू इट लाइक दिस, एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो पुल बैक योर ear to give it a fine stretch. And after that I'm applying aloe vera gel more, because जो पहले वाला aloe vera gel था वो dry out हो गया था. You can stretch your nose to shave the center part of your face. It should be very delicate. Strokes बहुत छोटे रखने हैं आपने, और कोई भी एक्टिव एक्ने है उसके ऊपर नहीं लेके जाना. मेरे फेस पे कोई भी एक्टिव एक्ने नहीं है, so that is why मैं ऐसे शेव कर रही हूँ. And with the help of the aloe vera gel you come to know कि आपने कहाँ शेव कर लिया है, कहाँ रहता है. So it will be very helpful. मेरे फेस में से बहुत कम बाल निकले हैं क्योंकि मेरे यहाँ पर बाल इतना है ही नहीं है. Near eyebrow stretch your hairline properly, because stretching is the key. आप जितना stretch रखेंगे अपने skin को और उतना ही आपके लिए अच्छा रहेगा. When you come close to the eyebrows ना, just do like this and very delicately and remove excess product, excess gel from the face, because it can be slippery, and strokes should be very small, and just do like this as I'm doing. It will give it a proper shape. And just remove the extra gel from the eyebrows as I will do. And yes, just like this, and just stretch again and shave like this. I have a full review on how to shave your eyebrows in my channel. I will just link down below. This area is very delicate, so make sure you do not put pressure. Very softly. Razors are quite effective. They don't hurt you easily. It can hurt you, but when you have a very light hand, there would be very less chances of harming yourself, and you can see visible difference. I personally feel that my face is looking slim on my right side and looking a little heavy on the left side, because जो बाल हैं वो भी आपके फेस को थोड़ा सा वॉल्यूम दे देते हैं. सो लेट्स ट्राई अनदर साइड. जो अपर लिप्स है वो मैं एंड में करूँगी. तो मैंने अभी फास्ट फॉरवर्ड पे लगाया है, तो बट आपको जो ये शेविंग है बहुत आराम से करनी है, छोटे छोटे स्ट्रोक्स लेने हैं. नाउ आई एम जस्ट डूइंग द चिन जनरली, विच आई डोंट डू बिकॉज आई डोंट हैव हेयर ऑन माई चिन. आई एम जस्ट शोइंग यू सो दैट you can have idea. आपको नीचे को ही स्ट्रोक्स लेने हैं. I also remove these hair with the help of the razor, but I would prefer you to use scissor because I'm quite experienced in this shaving, so that is why I'm doing it. And people generally say कि ये करने के बाद आपको फेस पे ज़्यादा हैवी बाल आते हैं. ऐसा कुछ नहीं. I'm doing it quite long and I didn't see any kind of bad effect on my face. Now I'm again cleaning my razor with the help of the alcohol, and you can simply wash your razor, but I prefer doing this. And after that you just have to rub ice cube on your face because it will soothe out your skin. I just apply directly on my skin because it doesn't affect me, but I would suggest you to wrap in the cotton cloth and just apply on your face. आपके स्किन में कोई भी जो रेडनेस नहीं आएगी और आपका स्किन बहुत ज़्यादा सूद कर देगा ये आइस क्यूब. I'm applying aloe vera gel, and don't apply any active ingredient on your face after shaving. So this is the final result. You can see my skin is looking flawless. You can repeat this process after a week or according to your hair growth. I hope I guided you well, and shaving your face is your personal choice, and I'm not insisting you to shave your face, just recommending you, if you shave your face, the application of the makeup would be flawless and your skin look more healthy. So meet you soon. Bye bye, take care.